Mga kagalgalans out there, kasama natin of course, the Yuki Ito here at Waterfront Hotel.
Welcome to Cebu, Mami Tenten.
Yeah, welcome to Cebu.
Correct. And welcome sa Cebu sa inyong lahat, mga kagalgalan,
Yes,
di ba?
yes, tomorrow na. Tomorrow na.
Yes.
Okay, what's your, anong mga yung feeling? What's your feeling right
It's
now?
a mixture of everything. Excitement, takot, worries ko, syempre, pero more of, I think, perfect lang dapat talaga. Pantay-pantay lang yung lahat ng emosyon. Walang sasobra, walang kukulang. Diba?
Eh, ito naman, diba, everybody knows that you are so cool naman. Hindi naman laban na laban. Parang ikaw lang
I'm
naman.
just enjoying. Every pageant na sumasali ako, talagang gusto ko lang mag-enjoy. Although, may mga pageants na nagkaroon tayo ng misunderstanding with other candidates, but now we're really okay.
Yes.
We're friends and everything is flawless. And yun yung mas wina-workout ko. I've learned from my mistakes.
Yes,
And
that's important.
correct.
Diba? Yan.
So now talagang minimake sure natin na everything is okay.
Siyempre, ang tanong na lahat what's your preparation now? Pero we know you. We know Kiito, she's always prepared. At aaliwin niya at bibigyan na magandang panoorin na iniintay ng lahat ng mga manonood ang gagawin mo tomorrow night. For the meantime, what's your preparation? Greatest preparation?
Well, emotionally, yun talaga. Yung inner peace mo, mentally. Kasi when it comes to pageantry, hindi naman talaga natin alam kung hanggang saan tayo aabot. Diba? Only God knows. Only the judges can tell kung sino talaga yung kokoronahan for that night. So, pinrepare ko yung sarili ko na come what may, ang importante is I owe it to my audience. I owe it to everybody who believes in me. So I'm just gonna give them my best effort to give them the best show they deserve. Diba? And I think most of all the ladies, yun naman yung talagang goal namin is to give our audience the best show.
Best show. At tanong ng lahat. Ginulat mo ang lahat sa iyong Mama Mary. Siyempre yan di ba yan yung pinaka-exciting part? Mama Mary and your Jollibee. Pwede mo daw po ba kaming bigyan ng konti mo namang clue? O tomorrow sa iyong national original costume, I guess. Ayaw secret pasabog.
Ayun na yung clue! Lumite! Ayun na yun!
Okay, ako medyo alam ko na. Siyempre, I research.
Nice, di ba?
I research about it. Nagulat ako. So, ayun ang aabangan ng lahat. Knowing you na pasabog, cool, and di ba?
Of course, I owe it to my team. I owe it to my costume designer, Joven Lim, to my partner.
Yes, exactly.
Of course, who conceptualized even the very first Jollibee, si Silhouette or Wong Israel, my very good friend. So, sila talaga, I owe it to them. It's a collaborative effort. Diba? Kaya maganda yung kinakalabasan. Sana magustuhan din nila tomorrow.
Mukhang magugustuhan at magugulat ang lahat bilang pasabog again from you. What's the inspiration of your gown tomorrow?
My inspiration of my gown is actually the Queen Philippines itself.
Okay.
Yun talaga siya. All colors, everything. The legacy that Queen has made and that Queen Philippines will leave towards us. Yun talaga. Kasi this is the end of Queen Philippines.
Yeah.
So it's actually a celebration of everything. Diba? Hindi lang kaming mga queens, but also the organizers, the people who actually supported Queen Philippines from the very beginning. Diba? Yun talaga yun. So I hope that you guys can join us, may live, or if you wanna come here in Cebu, you're very welcome.
At ang pinakamasaya dyan sa lahat ay naging parte kayo ng, di ba, ng history.
Yes.
Never I have imagined a pageant na talaga namang mula una hanggang dulo ay nagpupukpukan.
Correct. My goodness gracious.
And also big names like
big names,
you. Big
friend.
names.
Oh, hindi.
Yeah. Eh, alam mo naman yan.
Hindi,
We know
pero-
that. They are a big name.
Basta lagi kong sinasabi, I owe it to the people who believes in me, who supported me from the very start up until today. Kasi I always tell everybody na, why did you join Queen? Queen is for transgender, but they don't know the reality. Queen is a diverse and inclusive pageant, which they welcome everyone to join. 'Di ba? For as long as nandun ka sa community na 'yon, 'di ba? So wala silang
Layman's term para sa lahat.
para sa lahat ng
Yeah.
bakla.
Oo.
'Di ba? Yun talaga ang Queen Philippines. So let's not be confused. And you'll never know, malay niyo naman, feeling ko talaga inside I'm a transgender
Yeah.
woman, 'di ba? You cannot judge a person according to his or her looks. 'Di ba? So madali kasing mag-judge, but you know, to understand someone, it's really deep. So anyway,
Kanya that face, di ba? Wala panama na yan.
Grabe.
Totoo naman lang kasi sinasabi sa'yo, di ba?
Correct.
Yung face na yan, eh, talaga namang panama. Di ba? Ang liit, gamunggo, maganda. Di ba?
Thank you.
Structured, ganda.
na nung panahon nyo, ikaw ang merong
Hindi
pinakamaliit na
naman,
mukha.
hindi yun.
Kayo
No,
ni
hindi.
Nap Trono.
No.
Oh my God.
Okay. Wala yun, wala. Okay. Ryuki, what's your message to your journey here in the Queen Philippines?
I would like to thank all the organizers, especially Mother Carrie, for doing this such a beautiful, a wonderful event.
Grabe.
It's an event to remember, lalo na sa aming mga queens. I have talked to Lars, to Francine, to Kirk, to everybody actually, na it's saddening me na it will come to an end. I hope that I have that much money to produce this kind of pageant and bring it to Luzon or to Mindanao. You know, if God will give me that blessing, then I'll go for it. Kasi it's really something to look forward every 2 years. Alam mo yon, yung sobrang, dito ko na feel ang pageant na parang totoo kaming kontesera. Yung totoo kaming beauty queen.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Dito namin na-feel yon from day one up until today. The preparation, everything, it's overwhelming. Iba.
Lastly, playtime lang naman ito.
Correct.
Aside from you, kasi kami mga nanonood nahihirapan. Actually, hindi yung pahulaan portion namin, hindi namin mahulaan who will be the winner. Sino sa palagay mo ang top 5 ni Yuki Ito?
Naku Lord,
Yeah.
si Yuki.
Yeah, aside from Yuki Ito, aside
Oh
from
my
Yuki
God.
Ito, sino ang yung top 5? Just a playtime question
Pwede
na
bang hindi
naman.
na top 5? Baka mamaya.
Ayun na.
sige. Ano, I mean,
Who's your bet? Sino yung sa mga nasa top of your head?
from the very start, sinabi ko, if it was not for me, it should be Lars. Yun talaga yung lagi kong sinasabi. Because Lars is such a wonderful, a beautiful person. 'Di ba? Sometimes people might think that she's this and she's that. Pero no I know her since the very start. Short hair pa si Lars. Alam ko na siya. And I know that she can really be someone na mag-inspire with other people. And I think that is the true essence of being a queen.
Yeah.
'Di ba? To touch other people's lives.
Not just being beautiful, syempre outside,
Yung
but
word,
syempre, yeah,
'di ba? Yung
it's the heart.
correct. So ako yun lang talaga. Wag ng top 5. Pero
Okay.
syempre I have my favorites. 'Di ba? I mean, sino ba naman ang may ayaw kay FG? FG is FG.
Yeah.
My goodness gracious, 'di ba? Pag sinabi mong Francine, when it comes to beauty, personality, brain, everything, 'di ba? FG yan eh. Totality talaga. Kirk is also beautiful. Tamira, I love her. And Yang, La Victoria, 'di ba? With her story and all. It's so inspiring.
Real talk, it's always a cliche why you should be the next Queen Philippines.
Because why not?
Ayan.
Hindi.
Why
Oo.
not?
Why not ulit, di ba? Hindi, no. I should be the next Queen Philippines because I think that I can open so much doors for everybody to actually embrace the diversity and inclusivity within our community. Because, based on my experience, joining pageant, lagi na lang meron tanong sila na, bakit pa kasi siya nandito? Hindi naman, wala siyang boobs, wala siyang, that's the stereotypical queen. Now is the time for us to embrace the unconventional queen. The queen who is new. The queen who speaks not only for herself, but for many people, for other people, to tell the story of everyone. And I think that is me.
And that's why Yuki Ito should be the next Queen Philippines Union.
The last.
The last Queen.
Claiming it, Omiten!
Okay. We'll cut it first. Because makainin natin alam. Tomorrow wala na kami mapag-usapan. Again, marami pong salamat. We have here, of course, ang Mahal ang lahat, Yukito.
Thank you so much and thank you everyone for supporting Mami Tenten. Tuloy lang po ang suporta natin. Sino pa ba ang magtutulungan sa huli? Tayo-tayo rin naman. I love you!
Thank you.
Mwah.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Pampukan.